Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we'll be showing you how to change the door seal on a Samsung washing machine. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. Start by removing the top panel. Next, remove the seal from the front panel . Now we can unscrew the seal clamp and lift off the seal. When refitting the seal, use a little dishwashing soap to lubricate the lip and help it slip into place. Before fitting and tightening the clamp. Reattach the seal and its clamp. Refit the lid and run a test cycle to check for leaks. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.